Hi guys, I'm Komal Borashan. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make dal pakwan. And as you guys know, dal pakwan is a authentic Sindhi delicacy where you have crispy puris and spicy chana dal. Traditionally, this is served during the breakfast time, but you can have this as your lunch or even as a midday snack. And this can be a little time-consuming recipe, guys, but I assure you this is going to be completely worth it. So before we waste any more time, let's get right to the video. So let's begin. The first thing what we're going to do is we have soaked some chana dal for around 2 to 3 hours and we're going to pressure cook it. Going to add some salt and some turmeric powder. Let's cook this for 3 whistles, and meanwhile we're going to start with the dough. I've taken around 2 cups of plain flour, and now I'm going to crush some ajwain. I'm going to add some salt. We're going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil, and why we're adding oil in this is because we want our pakwans to be super crispy. I'm just going to make a soft dough out of it and add water very consciously. We're going to rest the dough for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I'm just going to knead it one time quickly. And I'm just going to take lemon sized dough and I'm going to start rolling it, and we're going to make a nice thin roti out of it. And to make uniform pakwans, I'm just going to take any lid of your preferred size and I'm just going to take out the extras. So what happens when everything is cooked, they look nice and uniform. And now for a pakwans not to fluff, what we have to do is with the help of a fork, we have to just prick this all over, just the way you see it, guys. And in hot oil, make sure it is at medium heat. We're going to fry this. You see, guys, it is a perfect golden brown color, and we're just going to drain it out and we're going to transfer onto a kitchen towel. Okay, like this I'm going to repeat for all my pakwans. And after this we're going to get back to our dal, and we're going to first take in some oil. You can take oil, butter, ghee, anything what you want. Going to add some shahi jeera, and then ginger garlic chili paste. Going to add some curry leaves and some dried red chilies. Alright, we're just going to let this cook till you get some nice aroma out of it. After this I'm going to add red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, guys. And I'm going to add some turmeric. Alright, just cook it for a second or two. Then we're immediately going to add in our dal. Okay, don't waste too much time because you don't want your red chili to get burnt. And after you add this, we're going to add some salt. And then I'm going to add some garam masala. And once you're done with adding the garam masala, I'm just going to boil it for a minute or two, and I'm going to season it up with some coriander leaves. So all our major components are ready. Now I'll just show you how to have this. So basically you take your pakwan and then you're going to add your hot dal over it. And now goes in very important part of this recipe, which is going to be your mint chutney and your tamarind chutney. Alright, this will give a different kick to your pakwan, so do not forget to add this, guys. It is one of the most important part of this recipe. If you want to know how to make your mint chutney, you can look up on my Instagram. I've left a recipe there. And now I'm going to add some sweet tamarind chutney. Okay? Just look at this, guys. Okay, once we're done with this, the last thing that goes in on our pakwan is going to be some chopped onions. And our dal pakwan is ready, guys. Just see how gorgeous this looks. This amazing combination of crispy puris and the spicy chana dal, and when you add in your chutneys, which is the mint and the sweet tamarind chutney, is going to take this dish to another level. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, guys, and if you did, you know the drill, to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you love my videos, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It will mean the world to me. There are many more recipes coming up your way, guys, so stay tuned, and until then, enjoy watching.